This is the part 2 of basic GIS tutorial, how to download high resolution image from Google Earth Pro. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel to hit GIS, and if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. First, download and install the Google Earth Pro from the link given in my description. I'm opening my Google Earth Pro. Then type your desired location on the search box. Do zoom out and zoom in according to your area of interest. This is the image of Ramnar Park area of Dhaka city that I'm gonna download. Go to the view option and uncheck all the elements, I mean status bar, grid, overview, and so on. And then go to the save image. Uncheck all the elements here. But if you want to keep title, then you can mark it. Then go to the resolution option and select the maximum of it, and then save image. And the final product is here. This is the high resolution satellite image of Ramnar Park. Now we are going to open it from ArcGIS. I'm gonna show the referencing system, I mean georeferencing system, in my next video, because all the latitude and longitude is not perfect here. So I'm gonna show the referencing system in my next video. Thanks everyone for watching.